It's finally here. The 2017 5K 27-inch screen editing beast, which is just there, is here. I've been waiting for this for so long, and this is really going to help me to pump out videos quicker and easier for this YouTube channel to hopefully get some more growth and basically up the quality of these videos. Let's get started. This is just ridiculous. This iMac has the 1TB SSD, which I'm also going to be using an 8TB hard drive to really speed up the computer to make it as fast as possible. It's got a 5K screen, 27 inches, so tons of space to work with. Then it's got a really fast processor. It's got a 7th gen i7. So yeah, this is going to be great. So thank you for watching the video. I really hope you liked it. I'm so pumped about this computer. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.